everybody, welcome to my channel, and we got some new Sprunkis, which are the Squid Game Sprunki. So let's open this up. Oh, the first one is Mr. Freeze. Okay, I guess he has leaves and brown. Let's move on to the next one, and he's so cool. So the next one is this Squid Game doll. So let's open this one. Ooh, she has hair and ponies and has red in her eyes. Alright, so yellow and orange in her shirt. And she's a girl. That's why she has a nail clip. And peach in color, so let's move on to the next one. And actually that one was a Dominator. Ooh, he's like, the next one is, it's Thanos. So let's check him out. Oh, he has a green shirt, purple hair, and he has peach skin, has a number on him. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. I don't know who his name is, but he's pretty old enough. He has green and peach in color, gray hair, and a number. So let's move on to the final Sprunki. So the final Sprunki is the Squid Game doll. Ooh. It has a red hood, some dark lighter red on the bottom, a triangle, and the mask is covered in black. So that's the end of the video. Hope you